Hey, good morning. Getting ready in the truck here, getting ready to walk in for another deer hunt. Let's see in the tree. Listen to that shit. Okay, we're back in the tree here. The sun rising behind me. January 17th. Southwest wind about 5 miles an hour. Feels like it's going to be a good morning. I really hope Carly or I connect today. I'm really tired of the big goose eggs. Feels kind of deery this morning, a little bit late getting in, but that's okay. I've got a new GoPro 360 camera that I'm going to be using today. Hopefully some of that video will be cool. I don't know. I still got to learn how to use it, but anyway, I'll keep this short. Deer could be moving anytime in a hot spot, or it has been a hot spot in the past, so stick around. And there comes the sun. Next, hopefully there comes the deer. Well, we got half snow, half sleet, probably some rain mixed in there. Stick it out as long as I can. The deer are probably too dumb to be, or too smart to be sitting out here like this dumb person. Alright, well, it's only raining harder now. Some of the rain is bouncing, but most of it's just rain. So I guess I'm going to pack up my crap and go to the truck. It's supposed to last until about noon. Guess I'll go get a cup of coffee and warm up and try to dry my jacket and stuff off and think about what my game plan is for the rest of the day. So, I guess I'll see you in the truck. Okay, so I was going into one of my newer spots and decided to jump off on a side trail here. I got this trail. It's going parallel to this creek. It's pretty heavy on both sides, lots of deer tracks, and downwind of this, I've got that tree right there. It's about 15 yards off the trail. And I would get in the tree just above that fork right there. That's about what it looks like. I think I'm gonna try that. Got a nice area to shoot over here, and there's a lot of fresh pock marks from this trail parallel, and it goes right back into bedding. So I'm hoping this evening they'll be coming out of here. The wind is coming from the direction of the sun right now, which definitely puts some good wind from the bedding to me and across this creek, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'm here at this tree, and I'm gonna shimmy right up this side here. I'll have to hop my lineman's belt over this fallen piece of crap here, but I should be sitting up there above that fork somewhere. And that's the view of the trail over there. I think this will be nice. Plus there's some nice open area over there with a couple rubs in it that I can definitely hit from over here. I love hunting a new spot. Okay, we're finally set in this new tree. I do like it. It was kind of a pain in the ass to climb because it's got a little bit of a weird lean to it, but once you're up in the saddle, it's good. Multiple trunk tree along that little creek. Got plenty of areas to shoot. There's all kinds of trails going through here. Yeah. Let me show you what I got here. It's all bedding behind me. creek. That trail runs along that creek. And there's others in here. There's others that go out this way. That's all bedding over there. Another little creek comes in and joins that one. Nice kind of open area over in here. There's a few rubs over there, fresh ones, at least from this year. And that creek goes off into thick stuff. And still just more thick bedding behind me. So my thought is that deer are going to come out from that direction, paralleling this creek along this pretty well-used trail. Then go out that way to one of our main trails. That's the hope, but we'll see. I think they could come from anywhere in here. But got about 3 hours. Sun's still pretty high. Got a southwest wind right in my face, so it's good. And it's hardly any wind, but it's enough there to keep the stink off the trail. And that's what the tree looks like down below. Got this plenty of other branches here in front of me to break me up, so that's always a good thing. And the sun just popped out. Very nice. And that is the GoPro 360 camera that my wife got me for Christmas. It's in, I think I've just got it in hero mode right now, which is one way, but who knows. Anyway, that should give us an extra angle on shots and stuff like that. Thanks, babe. All right, about 1 hour left. I haven't heard or seen a thing. It's very quiet. There's hardly any wind. This area still feels really good. I'm in a spot where they obviously come out from bedding, so matter of time. Otherwise, we'll be here in the morning. Not this spot, but somewhere else most likely. We will be hunting. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, which would be great. It's just nice to be able to see the deer a long way off in the snow. But you know, mid-Atlantic weather is about as predictable as the lot of it. So we'll see. But anyway, hour left. Hopefully the next thing you see is a deer. Okay, we're back in here this morning, a different spot. Nothing panned out last night. Story of my life, it seems, lately. So, we're back in this spot up over this little clearing that we saw the buck chasing the doe earlier during the rut. Came in late this morning. It's about 8 o'clock now because it was raining, and I don't feel like sitting in getting soaking wet. But it's quiet now. Rain stopped. Supposed to snow later, but anyway, I'll keep this short. Hopefully, we'll be seeing something here today. Well, I really hope so. It's getting old. Getting old. Well, it was a bitch getting in here, but we got in here. Wow, that was tough. Bad stuff. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but I hate it. Okay, well, it's been a hell of a move here. I moved up into another area that I've never hunted before, and yeah, it's a good spot. But man, it was a bitch getting up this tree. I think it's a black gum. Like the hardest, roughest bark you've ever seen in your life. It makes a cherry tree seem like nothing. It's like concrete. Anyway, I'm in the tree in kind of an open throughway amongst a ton of hollies and stuff, and snowing slightly, and I got a nice gash on my hand climbing up here. Check this out. So that was from not being very accurate when I was trying to seat my platform, and ended up bashing my thumb up against the side of the tree while I was hitting my platform. That's a bad mistake. I think I'd have been better off running my hand against a belt grinder. Anyway, I'm finally in and tied in. I got about 2.5 hours left before legal light ends. So not a lot of time, but I'm hoping that it'll be okay. Let me flip you around here again and show you what I've got. So this is behind me. Lots of hollies, thick stuff they love. Then coming out here where I plan on hopefully seeing some deer, it opens up a little bit, this little throughway here. It goes over there, off into the hollies, but it's open under there where they go through. And there's some tracks, and there's some droppings coming through here. And there's a blowdown right there, which is kind of a natural funnel. Over on my strong side over here, you can see I've got easy shooting. Is there anything passing through here? The wind is coming from that direction, so I'm just going to be standing here, hiding behind my tree, hoping to see something coming, and then just wait till they follow the script and go right here for a 10-yard shot. But, they'll probably come from downwind and start blowing and carrying on and all that. You guys know how my hunts go. Anyway, that's what's going on. I'm going to enjoy this little snowfall and the peace and quiet and try to calm down from this climb. And maybe we'll get lucky enough to shoot a deer tonight. Snow is picking up. Just a little bit. It's like 36 degrees though. I don't think we'll see any stickage. Maybe we'll stick a deer though. Haha. Well, it wasn't supposed to accumulate, but that's what it's doing. It's okay, it just makes it easier to see the deer. We got about 40 minutes left. And the snow is still coming down. Not a sign of anything alive. Not yet. Now we just need something bigger to come by. Well, here we are, day 3 of this unsuccessful hunting weekend. It's evening. I skipped this morning. I need to sleep. But this day is starting off to be just like the rest. So I find a good tree. I climb up here, getting set up, and I realize I didn't tie my bow to my haul line. So there's my bow way down there. So I guess I get to go climb down and get it. The hunt is starting off awesome. I've got less than 3 hours left before sunset. All right, well, we're finally set up here. About 2 hours left. That's it. Anyway, it is what it is. All I can do is make the best of it. It's kind of a pain in the ass getting in here. I'm in a new tree again. Not far from a place I hunted before, but I'm just trying to dial this in a little bit better. So I guess it's all about what you make it. Trying to make something happen here. Okay, last hour, and then it's back to work tomorrow. The wind is all over the place. But it's nice out here. It's quiet, so hopefully, I'd like to see another one. It'd be great. I'd like to shoot one even better. It always happens. The night before work, I get stuck out here tracking and dragging deer, so maybe that great luck will follow me today. I would not complain about having to be out here tracking a deer the night before work. I love doing it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. You'll be the first to know. Well, that's gonna about do it for us. It's seems pretty light in this video, but down rugby shooting deer, it's damn dark. So I appreciate y'all watching this video for this 3-day weekend of shenanigans. We'll be hunting for a couple weeks. You may catch a different video at the farm here and there in the way, but the hunting stuff will be a couple weeks. So as always, appreciate y'all following along. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, keep getting after it. Take care.